And look at how thick that is. Oh, green chili, sesame, broad bean paste, fat, chili oil soaked noodles. All right, check it out, guys. It's Trevor James. I'm here with Ting. We are in Chengdu, China, the land of extremely delicious Sichuanese spicy food. And today is a super special occasion. We're gonna be bringing you to a ton of different locations in Chengdu. Delicious spicy hot pot, amazing spicy noodles, Sichuanese desserts, and more. It's gonna be a ton of fun. Let's go check it out. Get ready for spicy Sichuanese street food of your dreams. Today, we're bringing you deep to 4 special locations in Chengdu, China, the land of Sichuan spicy and mouth-numbing cuisine. And we're pinning the locations on a map for you as well on thefoodranger.com. Link down below. First up, we're going for the best bowl of noodles you'll ever eat. All right, guys, next up is one of the most delicious, incredible, rare bowls of noodles deep in the back streets of Chengdu, the Huiguorou twice-cooked pork noodles. Oh, look at this, guys. 你好。哇，这个都是回锅肉面吗？
有塑胶的，有牛肉
哦，
豇豆的，
都有，太棒了。So look at all the empty bowls here. 这个是芝麻酱吗？
对，
芝麻酱。So there's sesame paste. 还有什么东西？
有花椒、味精、鸡精、鸡粉都有。
都有的。
对。
这个是猪油吗？
猪油。
猪油。
大油。
So we've got the lard here, and that's going in. It's giving it extra flavor. 太好了。Oh, and here's the secret sesame chili oil. 太香了。Look at that. We're just topping it up. This is one of the most amazing things to watch. So what we've just stepped into is absolute noodle heaven. So much aroma here. You can smell the chili, you can smell the sesame. Oh, it's gonna be so good. And we're gonna order up twice cooked pork noodles. So they're gonna add twice cooked pork on top. And it's gonna be so good. Oh, that's amazing. 你们的独家秘方。
什么都是我们是公开的，都知道的。
都知道的嘛。
对呀。
And over here, you can see is the most beautiful bowl of huiguorou. This is it right here. So we've got the twice cooked pork. This is gonna go over top of the noodles. You can see there's green peppers in there, so it's gonna be spicy, fragrant. It's cooked with broad bean paste. Oh, and they're gonna add it right on top of a bowl right here. 太香了. Oh. That is amazing. Oh, 还有酱油吗？
对的。
Oh, 太香了. And we are just gonna go into the back and take a look at how they're frying the huiguorou. Oh, 于老板，你好。哦，这个是炒huiguorou吗？
哎，回锅肉。
Oh, we just added in fermented broad bean and chili paste. Oh, look at that. That is what gives it the xiang, the fragrance, the aroma. Incredible. 太香了。太香了. Oh, and look at all these green chilies. Wow. 辣椒.
哎，你需要加辣椒才香。
Oh, 再香的. It has to be fragrant. So he's adding in tons of fresh green chilies. Look at that. That is one of the most fragrant things you will ever smell. 豆瓣酱, 辣椒.
哎，一般都拿到会看不到酱。
Oh. 谢谢老板. 好，谢谢. Oh, this is gonna be perfect. Let's go try a bowl. Oh yeah. You can see they just add that beautiful huiguorou on top of the noodle. Let's go try it out. Here it is, guys. The huiguorou twice cooked pork noodles. Oh, look at that. Mix that up. Mix that chili oil in. This is such a rare beauty in Chengdu at Shangchi Mianguan, one of the best old Lao Zahao classic shops. Oh, and look at how thick that is. Oh, green chili, sesame, broad bean paste, fat, chili oil soaked noodles. Just look at how thick that is. Look at all those chili oil, sesame paste, soaked noodles. We're gonna try it out. Oh. Mm. Oh, whoa. 太好吃了. Wow. That is so flavorful and thick. the ultimate bowl of noodles. This is one of, if not the best bowl of noodles you'll ever eat. The noodles are just soaked with that chili oil, that sesame paste. Spicy, smoky, fragrant, slightly sweet, and there's a depth of flavor in there from that broad bean and sweet bean paste. Oh, and the pork is lean, it's not fatty, and it's just the most soothing, comforting, spicy, hitting you in the soul bowl of noodles you'll ever taste. And this right here is worth flying to Chengdu for. A 上吃面馆最好吃的回锅肉面，太好吃了。Bye bye. Bye bye. That's just one of the best bowls you can ever eat. We're gonna pin this joint because you gotta come here if you're in Chengdu, add it to the map, and keep going. And next up, before going to a hidden homemade wonton joint, we're going for a classic Sichuanese dessert, the huiguoroumian. And today, at the most famous joint in Chengdu, to have a taste with the two brothers who run it. All right, guys, next up, we are going for one of the most classic Sichuan desserts here at Dengji Xinyi huiguoroumian. 你好 Deng Lao Ban. 好久不见 Oh, look what we got here. huiguoroumian. 特色的huiguoroumian. Look at this, guys. So we've got sticky rice balls. 这个是糯米做的，对吗？
对，
糯米粉嘛。糯米粉。Wow. So we're with Deng Lao Ban, the two brothers here. 你们开了好几年？
也好，做这个做了6、7年。
哦，太好了。
小心烫哦。
哦 and it's hot. 小心烫。
对，
哦，很香的。So we've got these beautiful normie sticky rice balls, and they've puffed up. We just saw him putting them in, and then he's gonna put this ultra sweet dark brown molasses in, and they're gonna put them on a stick, and they're chewy, crispy, and delicious. 太好了. And we just turned it off, and now we're gonna put in the dark brown, ultra sweet molasses. Wow, that is true street sweet heaven. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at that. Oh, wow. That is right from the markets. Tai haola. Deep in the oil. Deep in the oil. Awesome. And we've got a huge crowd gathering around because everyone loves the Hong Tang. Tang yo guozi. Wow. 好好吃的吗？哇！太好了 ，Number one， Number one。Wow, that is real heaven. You can smell that aroma. Yeah. 太好了。This is incredible. You can see that they're getting crispy. The oil is slightly cooling down. They're getting crispy and soaked in that dark molasses, sweet dark molasses. Oh, look at that. Oh, Zhima. Zhima, look at that. Zhima. Beautiful. Oh. Oh yeah, that is incredible. This is incredible. The weird is at the back of the line waiting now, guys. I'm guessing about a 20-30 minute wait here. It's gonna be so delicious. Deng Lao Ban. 你好，太好了，huiguoroumian。可以吃2串吗？
可以吃2串吧，怎么不可以？
太好了 Here we are. So we just got the beautiful huiguoroumian. The real secret with huiguoroumian is you want these to actually get a little cool, so the outside is crispy and the inside is soft and gooey, and that is just covered in that ultra sweet molasses. Oh wow, that is perfectly crispy on the outside, gooey on the inside. The molasses has that super rich sweetness. And the sticky rice is so gooey. 谢谢 Deng Lao Ban. 太好吃了. Whoa. We're gonna pin this joint, keep going for more food. And Next up, before going to a deep local style hot pot in a hidden alleyway of Chengdu, we're going to a popular yet secret homemade ultra luxurious wonton joint run from a home in Chengdu. All right guys, right up here is one of the best, if not the best, wonton joint in Chengdu. It's in a local little neighborhood and they have extremely plump and delicious and spicy custom wontons. We're gonna go check it out. Here we are guys, Gan Haijiao Chow Show, best chow show in Chengdu. They've got such variety. And here we are, Chow Show de Tiantang. Look at this guys. We've got exclusive access here to the ultimate chow show wonton joint. We're gonna take a look at how they make them and then have a big plump bowl. 哦，很漂亮。所以这个是虾，还有蝎子，还有很猪肉。然后你们放这个在那个突击怎么说？突击猪肾哦，松茸。Beautiful, that is gonna be so flavorful. And then also over here, there's the classic, just pork filling. And these are all one by one, as you can see. We've got the wonton sheets, and those are just one by one filled with plump filling. 你们发明了这个馅吗？这个蝎子，老板发明了吗？哦。So this is the place that invented this ultra combo. So apart from these beautiful wontons that we're making, we've also got this full table of wontons already made. And these are all gonna go into the cauldron. And after watching the bowls get filled with chili oil and secret ingredients, the wontons were ready to put in the cauldron. Here we go, guys. Oh, they're going right in. Look at that beautiful wok full of chow chow. And you can see as we're making these, it's all about the stock that goes with the wontons. So we've got the real king right here. This is the caterpillar fungus, bamboo fungus, chicken stock. Oh, that is gonna give it so much umami and depth. Wow, here we go. Look at those. Oh, beautiful wontons. Oh, that's just a massive platter. Oh yes, and here we go. We're just plating them. We've got dried chilies going in. Oh, 太香了，太香了. That's the ganban. That's the ganban style right there. 谢谢你. Oh, look at what we got here. So we got their specialty. These are the ganban haijiao chow show. So that chili oil, that thick chili oil is on the bottom. They covered it in sesame, green onions. You gotta mix those up. Oh, look at those. Those are the most plump, beautiful dumplings of your dreams. And then look at these. These are the most luxurious plump dumplings in all of Sichuan. It's all about the stock and the add-ons here. So we've got that classic plump filled shrimp and crab and pork, and then the stock is actually chicken with, oh, look at this. This is the bamboo fungus, and then the orange is the caterpillar fungus. And then look at this beauty here. These are pure pork with songrong. These are matsutake mushrooms. These are some of the most pricey, yet the most elegant and flavorful wontons you'll ever taste. First thing I want to try is the gan haijiao here. Mmm. Oh, whoa. Oh, yeah. That is incredible. And you can see the line up this. Oh, this place is so long. Oh, yeah. There we go. Just look at how plump that is. Let's go in. That's awesome. Look at that. Look at the shrimp in there. And those crab eggs. Those pop in your mouth. What a mouthfeel that is. They just pop in your mouth. Oh, it's got that seafood shrimp flavor. And you can really taste the depth in that stock. So you can just load up all of that fungus. Oh, caterpillar fungus, bamboo fungus. And go right in. That is luxury. That is elegant. That is upgraded. Those are super wontons. And the stocks to these soups are so elegant. No wonder you pay a high price tag for this. Each of these bowls is like $4, which is way, way above average. Let's just try that stock first. The matsutake mushroom stock. Oh, that is perfect for winter. It just has this super umami, rich mushroomy, earthy flavor. That was just amazing, guys. And we're gonna pin this joint and keep moving to the next street. And next up, the finish the day, we're bringing you into one of the deepest, most local style hot pot joints in Chengdu, with so many chilies bubbling that when you walk in, it feels like you're walking into a chili sauna. All right guys, next up for the final meal, we are going for a really, really deep local hot pot joint. Super spicy, super delicious in this local neighborhood. And we're gonna be pinning this on the map, so if you wanna come here, you can check it out too. It's right up here. Let's go check it out. Look at this, guys. The ultimate local style hot pot joint. Oh, and here's our pot. Look at the color here. Wow. Ni hao. Oh, wow, look at this, guys. Oh. Buyang, 谢谢. Wow, look at that. The ultimate hot pot, and you can see she just put a bunch of stock in. There's this condensed beef lard with chili in it, a few different varieties. This is just pure, and then these two have chili, and you can see it's just so much Sichuan peppercorn in there. So let's take a look. All the raw ingredients are on the bottom. Look at that. Oh, look at the color there. So this here is all pure beef fat. Oh, and there's just chili infused into it. We've got pure. We've got the pure version here, and then we've got a brick of it here, and she just put the heat on. So this is gonna slowly melt and dissolve and become the ultimate spicy broth. Let's just sink it in. Oh, and it's gonna get redder and redder and spicier and spicier. And you can see the bottom there is just like a pure sphere, a pure disc of condensed beef lard and chili. Oh, and it's just gonna slowly melt into this beautiful pot, and it's just incredible, the flavor and the aroma in this place. Okay guys, so the first step to any hot pot, and we're gonna be reviewing and visiting a few hot pot joints in this Chengdu series that we're doing for you to show you all the good spots, is to take your swan, take this garlic and put it into a bowl, just load it in, take as much as you like. Let's just take the whole thing. And then you wanna put a little bit of this xiangyo sesame oil in. Oh yeah, oh beautiful. That is incredible. You also gotta add xiangcai, a little bit of cilantro, some green onion, chopped green onion. One way to reduce the heat of hot pot is to add tu, black vinegar. It really takes the heat down. If you don't want it to be too spicy, add a bit of tu, add a ton of tu. For me, I'm just gonna add a little touch. Oh, so the food just arrived. We're just gonna add a touch of xiaomila, fresh chilies, and then you've gotta add a touch of Huiguorou oyster sauce. You can see the beautiful pot is starting to boil. It's turning red, and it's gonna get brighter red and even more xiang as we go. We got delicious lamb, we got numbing soft beef, we got fatty beef, we got chicken wings, we got Chinese saltis, we got shrimp, and then we got, oh, lotus root. And the pot, 这个很红色的，很浓的，好吃的吗? Oh, and look at that, it's really boiling. Oh, it's all coming together. The heat is on pretty high now. We're gonna reduce that a bit. Oh, it's so red. All the chilies. You can just see all the chilies in there. 太棒了。这个很辣吗？这个很辣吗？可以吗？可以吗？你怕不怕辣？我不怕，我不怕。哎呀，我们讲话你听得懂。听得懂，听得懂。Okay, so the shrimp is in, and now we're just gonna drop a bunch of this numbing soft beef right in the pot. Look at the color there. Oh, look at that. The beef is ready. Beautiful. And you can see it's just covered in those dried red chilies. But this right here is what dreams are made of. And we're just gonna dip it in, get a ton of garlic and cilantro on it, take it for a swim. That is pure beauty right there. Oh yeah. That is absolutely the best hot pot you will ever eat. Oh, the shrimp is so tender, slightly springy. And when you dip it into this sesame oil with garlic, it's got a perfect burning, garlicky joy. And as you eat this, you can just keep scooping out delicious pieces. Your mouth gets spicier and spicier, and all the chilies in here, the dried chilies, the intense spice from them starts to infuse into that oil even more, and by the end, you're burning. So I hope you guys are enjoying these new style of videos where we're pinning locations. Check them out on thefoodranger.com. They're gonna help you find locations when you travel. I would also love to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Make sure you're subscribed and click that little bell notification button so you don't miss any of these videos. Wow. And thank you so much for watching.